For many women, pregnancy is a journey filled with joy and anticipation. But for some, unfortunately, it is a journey filled with loss, grief, and unanswered questions. This is the story of a woman who had not one but two heartbreaking abortions, yet found the courage to hope again with the help of homeopathy. A 30-year-old female conceived for the first time in the year 2022. Everything seemed very normal until fifth month, when she realized through the scans that the baby she was carrying had developmental anomaly. That is, there was back pressure changes due to a large megacyst in both the kidneys and oligohydramnios, which was suggestive of the distal urethral atresia. That means basically, in a simple language, she was having less amniotic fluid because of the blockage or the underdevelopment of the urethra, and there was a large cyst in both the kidneys. Due to this developmental anomaly of the renal system, she had to go through the termination of pregnancy for the first time, which was very heartbreaking and devastating. The second time she held on to hope a little tighter, only to face a painful goodbye in the year 2023. Even this time, the same story as before. Every scan, blood report, everything came normal until third month. But in the fifth month scan, she discovered something very heartbreaking. The baby was missing the lower abdominal wall, and the contents like the liver, stomach, the bowel loops, what we call the intestine, the urinary bladder, whichever was meant to be inside the amniotic cavity was present outside the amniotic cavity. Sadly, again she had to go through another termination of pregnancy. In her, each loss carried not just physical pain but an emotional baggage that persisted, a quiet grief that followed her into everyday life. Following this, she began to experience the most difficult challenge in her life, that is infertility. That's when she came to our clinic in the year 2025 and shared her devastating story. After detailed case taking, we treated the root cause and relieved the emotional baggage she was carrying from the past. First, we treated her emotionally and physically in general, and then later we planned for the pregnancy. Later, she conceived in the month of July 2025. By the time she conceived again, the fear had already taken over the excitement. We gave her the Bachflower remedy and treated her anxiety and the fear of the future consequences, which was expected after 2 incidents of heartbreaking abortions. The Bachflower remedies helped her to cherish the journey of motherhood without the fear of anxiety of the future outcomes. With the right time, guidance and intervention, every scan, the blood report, the anomaly scan report, everything has come normal, and now she is in her 8th month of pregnancy. The same woman who once carried the weight of repeated loss now carries life with strength, resilience and hope. Her pregnancy is being monitored closely, every milestone celebrated, every heartbeat cherished. She is healthy, her baby is healthy, and most importantly, she is happy and she is embracing every moment of this pregnancy with a lot of love, gratitude, and a great amount of joy. This journey is a reminder that behind every case of infertility is a story, a human experience filled with emotions, struggle, and courage. Loss does not define the end of the story. With the right care, support, and belief, hope can be rebuilt.